Hi guys, back again with another new video tutorial. In this video, I will tell you how you can change the ringtone or how you can set a ringtone in your device Vivo Y55 and Y55 5G. So if in this device you want to change the ringtone, or if you want to do the ringtone settings, or if you want to set a custom ringtone, you can easily do this by the method as I will tell you. Before starting it, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can change or set a custom ringtone in your device.